Strengthening for the kidneys. The kidneys are vital organs of the urinary system and play a crucial role in regulating fluid and electrolyte balance as well as removing waste from the body. This strengthening does not discount any other treatment. It's a complementary alternative that will greatly contribute to the treatment prescribed by your doctor. Strong enough to separate energy from renal cortex, renal medulla, renal papilla, renal pelvis, ureters, arteries, renal veins, renal capsule, perirenal adipose tissue, and renal thread. We eliminate all the weaknesses of each of them and reduce them to less than 0, 100% of the time, forever. We level them so they all stay centered, balanced, and stable, and we strengthen them. We also increase their physical potential, strength, endurance, speed, agility, coordination, and flexibility to 100% with an endless potential, 100% of the time, forever. We're going to remove the misinformation, perception, and interpretation you have of this kidney condition you are now experiencing. We're going to remove what comes from culture, religion, education, experts, ancestors, collective family, and yourself. We're going to remove the cumulative effect of living with weak kidneys and carrying out daily actions that continually weaken them. We're going to erase memories of dying from disease, trauma, or kidney limitations. We erase the debilitating energy of all ancestors who suffered, and were limited because of it. We're going to erase all lack programming, loyalty, curse, predisposition, inheritance, and any fears that descend from the ancestors that have debilitating implications for your kidneys. We erase all of this, yours or not yours, from this and other lives in ancestors, descendants, in the collective and physical spaces at 0 minus infinity, 100% of the time with infinite time. We're going to strengthen the renal cortex. We'll strengthen the functional structures called nephrons, which are strong at filtering blood and producing urine. We're going to strengthen the renal medulla and renal pyramids, strong for urine concentration and strong for regulating water and electrolyte balance. We'll strengthen the renal papilla and renal pelvis to collect the urine produced by the nephrons in the renal papillae. We'll strengthen the ureters to connect the renal pelvis in both kidneys to the urinary bladder, strong at transporting urine from the kidneys to the bladder through peristaltic movements. Will strengthen these rhythmic contractions of the muscles in the walls of each of the ureters for optimal functioning. Will strengthen renal arteries and veins to supply strong blood to the kidneys, to filter it, and to perform their optimal functions. We will strengthen the renal artery to carry the unfiltered blood to the kidney, and strengthen the renal vein to carry the filtered and processed blood away from the kidney. We will strengthen the renal capsule to protect and maintain both the shape and structure of the kidney. We will also strengthen the perirenal adipose tissue to provide additional protection and support to the kidneys. We will strengthen the strong renal thread to let arteries, veins, and ureters in and out. Strengthen the blood vessels to enter the kidney and the ureters to exit it. We will connect all these components with the central nervous system in both directions, from top to bottom, bottom to top, right to left, left to right, inside out, outside in, back forward and forward back at 100% infinite co-potential for 100% of the time with infinite time. We're increasing the kidney's ability to filter blood and remove waste and excess fluids in the body. We're eliminating bacteria, viruses, fungi, parasites, and parasite debris from the urinary tract and bloodstream. We're sending them to the lymphatic system and strengthening it. Canals, ducts, fluids, centers, and lymph nodes. Strong 100%, infinite potential 100% of the time with infinite time. We're strengthening kidney stones to separate, break down into cells, and move freely through the urinary tract. We're increasing hydration and strengthening metabolism to prevent their formation. We're decreasing excessive protein filtration in the urine. We're eliminating damage to the glomeruli and strengthening them to filter 100%, infinite potential 100% of the time with infinite time. We're decreasing histamine and increasing antihistamine in the glomeruli, which are strong for reducing inflammation. We strengthen cysts to shrink and strengthen kidneys to separate from these cysts, strong enough to break down into cells and have free movement to be eliminated through the body's black holes and wormholes. We're going to increase regeneration and decrease degeneration in the blood vessels in the kidneys and increase again their ability to filter to 100% infinite co-potential 100% of the time with infinite time. We are going to eliminate memories of trauma to the kidneys, to this one, to other lives, to you, to ancestors and descendants that are being activated and causing the current ailments. We save 0 minus infinity 100% of the time with infinite time. We will decrease histamine and increase antihistamine in the interstitial tissue, strong enough for de-inflammation and eliminate infections and drug reactions, strong enough to maintain good hydration, strong for water to help eliminate toxins and waste from the body through urine, strong for maintaining a balanced diet, strong for adhering to it, and strong for cutting out any consumption of processed foods, salts, and added sugars that harm your kidneys, strong for taking responsibility for maintaining a healthy weight, strong for taking responsibility for restoring your health, strong for regular exercise to improve circulation and strong for helping maintain a healthy weight, strong to quit tobacco and alcohol to bring your kidneys back to optimal performance. We're going to eradicate all resistance to improve, progress, to let go, liberate, become independent, forgive, protect, and forget all the emotions stuck in the kidneys, all those that have been weakening them over time. We eliminate devaluation focused in the kidneys. We remove everything that you haven't been able to separate and purify, everything that you haven't been able to let go of, that which hurts, that which causes suffering, that which confuses, that which is not understood. Strong for erasing, eliminating, and releasing it through the kidneys 100% with infinite potential, 100% of the time with infinite time. Will make you strong so you feel the same, not the same, different, not different, perception, non-perception, change, no change. Strong for everything positive, non-positive, negative, non-negative, and neutral. We're going to strengthen the internal dynamics, external dynamics, internal limits, external limits, and vertices of all the geometries we work with, you and your kidneys, at 100% infinite co-potential, 100% of the time with infinite time. We're going to erase everything that prevents, limits, delays, hinders, or blocks inflammation reduction, detoxification, and regeneration. We remove it to 0 minus infinity 100% of the time with infinite time. Reset, recalibrate, reprogram, rejuvenate, and readjust your body, mind, and spirit. How do you feel, the same or different? Remember, for better benefits, it's recommended to listen to this multiple times so that your kidneys are constantly strengthened.